Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're here, you're probably curious about launching your very own cryptocurrency exchange. And the good news is it's easier than you think, thanks to something called a white label crypto exchange. In today's video, we are going to break down what a white label crypto exchange is, why it's best option for aspiring exchange owners, and how Softtrix can help you build your dream platform with ease. So let's dive in. What is a white label crypto exchange? A white label crypto exchange is a pre-built, fully customizable platform that allows businesses to launch their own cryptocurrency exchange without having to develop the technology from scratch. Think of it like buying a ready-to-go product that you can brand and tweak to your liking. Instead of investing years into software development, you can purchase an existing platform, slap on your brand, customize the interface, and get to market in a fraction of a time. Now, the question arises here is, why choose a white label crypto exchange? You might be wondering why you should choose a white label exchange over developing one from scratch. Let me break down some key reasons. First one is faster time to market. Developing a cryptocurrency exchange from scratch can take months, even years, to get it just right. With a white label solution, you can launch your platform in a matter of weeks. Cost efficient. Building a crypto exchange requires a team of developers, designers, security experts, and much more. The cost can quickly add up, but with a white label solution, the core framework is already built, meaning you can save a significant amount of money. Tested technology. One of the biggest risks in building an exchange is ensuring security, scalability, and reliability. With a white label exchange, you are leveraging tried and tested technology that has been used by other businesses already. Customization. Even though it's white label solution, you still have full control over the branding, user experience, and features. You can design the exchange to match your vision and business goals. Focus on growth, not development. When you are not bogged down with development headaches, you can focus more on growing your user base, improving liquidity, and adding value to your exchange. Next is challenge of building a crypto exchange without a white label solution. But what happens if you decide to go the other way and build your own exchange from scratch? Let me give you an idea of the challenges that might come with that. First one is development costs. First, developing an exchange from scratch can cost hundreds of thousands to even millions of dollars. You'll need to hire a full development team, cybersecurity experts, and legal consultants to navigate the regulatory landscape. Time consuming. Building your own platform means you are responsible for every aspect, from designing the interface to coding the backend, ensuring compliance, and setting up security protocols. This process can take anywhere between 12 months to 24 months or even more. Security risks. With security being a top priority in the crypto space, any vulnerability can lead to hacks or data breaches, costing you, your business, and your reputation. Building secure infrastructure from scratch is not only time consuming but incredibly challenging. Constant upgrades. Cryptocurrency is an ever-evolving space, whether it's new tokens, security protocols, or legal requirements. You are constantly need to update your platform, which means continuous development costs. How Softtrix can help you launch your white label crypto exchange. Let's talk about how Softtrix can help you take the leap into the crypto exchange world. Softtrix specializes in building white label crypto exchanges that are secure, customizable, and scalable. Here's how Softtrix stands out in helping you create the perfect exchange platform. Complete customization. Softtrix provides a fully customizable platform so your exchange will look and feel unique. You get to choose the design, user interface, supported cryptocurrencies, and even trading pairs. Robust security features. Security is a major concern, and Softtrix offers top-notch solutions including two-factor authentication, encrypted databases, cold and hot wallet management, and DDoS protection to keep your platform safe. Regulatory compliance. One of the biggest challenges in launching a crypto exchange is complying with international regulations. Softtrix helps you navigate through KYC, that is Know Your Customer, and AML, that is Anti-Money Laundering regulations, to ensure your platform operates legally and efficiently. High liquidity. One of the most critical aspects of any exchange is liquidity. Softtrix offers access to a globally liquidity pool so your users can trade with major slippage, ensuring a seamless trading experience. 24/7 support and maintenance. After you've launched your exchange, Softtrix doesn't just disappear. They offer 24/7 support and regular maintenance, ensuring that your platform stays up to date and functional at all times. Scalability. Whether you are starting small or planning to grow your platform into one of the largest exchanges globally, Softtrix white label solution is built for scalability. Their platform can handle increased traffic and trading volumes without compromising performance. So, whether you are an entrepreneur looking to launch a niche crypto exchange or an established business ready to expand into the crypto space, Softtrix can provide you with the tools, expertise, and support to make your vision a reality. And getting started with Softtrix is easy. Here's a quick step-by-step process to launch your white label crypto exchange. Reach out for a consultation. First, reach out to Softtrix for a consultation. They'll discuss your needs, business goals, and visions for your platform. Choose your features and customizations. Next, select the features you want on your exchange, from design elements to specific trading options. Softtrix offers a highly customizable platform so you can make your exchange your own. Integration and deployment. Softtrix will handle the integration from connecting to liquidity providers to setting up security features. Once everything is ready, your platform will be deployed. Launch and grow. After launching, you'll have continuous access to Softtrix support team for any updates, issues, or improvements. So, if you're looking to enter the exciting world of cryptocurrency exchanges, a white label solution is your fastest and safest route. And with Softtrix by your side, you'll have all the tools, security, and support you need to succeed in this competitive space. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification for more content like this. And if you have any questions about launching a white label crypto exchange or working with Softtrix, drop them a message or a comment below. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much.